Hello everyone, and welcome back to part 2. Let's get started. Number 1. Instead of saying, "It's okay" or "No problem," you can say, "No worries." Number 2. I can't wait. I'm counting down the days. Number 3. It's raining heavily. It's pouring down. Number 4. I don't have time. I'm running out of time. Number 5. I'm not sure. I'm not convinced. Number 6. It's really expensive. It's a ripoff. Number 7. I'm proud of you. You made me proud. Number 8. I feel good. I'm on top of the world. Number 9. I need to go now. I've got to bounce. Number 10. I understand. I get it. Thanks for learning.